So we had our most sales in like one night, 2 days. What was that, 10 sales?
11.
11 sales. So right now we're going to see my baby nephew. Well, we're gonna drop all this off. We're gonna see my baby nephew because it's his actually first birthday today. So wish him a happy birthday in the comments below. We're gonna go say what's up and then we're gonna break into what we sold so you guys can be on the lookout for all these items. So we'll cut this intro, be right back. All right, we'll see you later, bud. Take this. All right, let's go. Right now we're dropping off these packages like we said in the intro. We're gonna break into what they are, but we have family that we wanna go see first.
Yes.
And we like to implement all that into our vlogs, so hope you guys enjoy. All right. So we're gonna get our box. We're at our post office now. You might have to come grab some of this. Hey, you take that in the camera.
Okay. Forgot my keys.
Oh, yeah, I got the camera now. So this is actually our first time filming in here. Let's see how it goes. They're really cool though. Sorry, can you get the door?
Yep.
How's it going? Oh yeah.
Filming if you don't mind.
Oh yeah. That's hilarious.
A lot of packages today.
Nice work. Business is good.
Business
Yeah?
is booming right
Oh,
now.
that's awesome.
Summer slowdown is not fun. Oh no.
What is happening?
I
They're not
don't
scanning?
What are you?
Oh.
What'd you say?
They're not scanning? Oh boy.
Oh
Oh,
no.
I see that. This one. You see that line? Those stupid lines.
Oh, what is that from?
I don't know. A printer maybe.
I'm so sorry.
Oh please.
Oh yeah.
Trust me.
At
You
least
guys are
someone
like the most
was-
easygoing customers that we have.
Oh, thank you.
My goodness.
Good.
So, no receipt for you guys today. 'Cause
No.
I'm gonna have to probably type these in manually.
I'm so sorry.
Thank you.
Thank
Hey,
you so
take it
much.
easy.
Yeah, have a great day.
Yeah, you too.
See, we got the You see, we got the coolest place to go ship, so we really appreciate you if you are watching that. But yeah, let's get on going to see my sister. Hey. Hello. There's the birthday boy.
Hey.
How's it going? We got a gift for you.
Ooh, this thing is fun. It works better. We'll get it going. He sniffed it. He was
Yeah.
biting it
What is
today,
he supposed
so.
to do with it?
Just kind of lay
Finn?
with it, maybe.
I don't know, but Theo.
But it bounces?
Yeah.
Yeah,
he
once
literally
he's
sit
big
on it,
enough,
and like,
we'll
yeah,
give it to him to bounce on it.
Yeah.
That'd be cool.
he's dead. Oh, forget this. Still, it's probably nice. So cute.
He just takes him. Boom. Wouldn't be the worst thing that happened. What? Enough with that. I gotta figure out what this is.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
What are you doing?
Alright, so now we're gonna head home and show you guys what we sold.
Whoop, whoop. I can help you. I have a 4 for 4, please.
So I have a ton of editing to do. So I'm gonna have Kristina go over the 10 things that we sold. So she's gonna be in the blue room. Hope you guys enjoy.
Hey, Finmans. You wanna come up? Alright, so like Martin said, he's editing right now. I don't know if you just heard him scream in the other room, but I'm gonna go through our 10 solds right now. We had 9 sales, I believe, on eBay and 1 on Poshmark, so super nice, a super profitable 2 days, so let's get into this. Alright, so to start things off, the first thing that sold was a Victoria's Secret pink like quarter zip pullover. It was actually an old zip up hoodie that I had of mine, so not one that I wore anymore. So listed, I think it was on $18, on sale for $14, so someone just purchased it. This is really hard by myself. So all of these items have free shipping, so this one, the buyer didn't pay for shipping, but luckily it only cost $2.98 to ship out. It was pretty lightweight and they lived closer to us, so that was really nice. Alright, and then second thing that sold for us was another pair of rugby shorts. So like we said in our Bolo video, we do really well on rugby shorts. This is actually the first pair that sold for like under $18, which was pretty shocking to us, but it's alright. We wanted to get them out. So they were an old pair of Martins, so we paid nothing for those, but they sold for $16.99, free shipping like I said, but that only cost us $2.98 to ship out as well. They only weighed about like 5 ounces, so that was super nice to have shipped out. Third on our list is a rugby ball. It's actually from, well, not from Japan, but it's supposed to look like the Japan rugby team. That actually sold for $23.79, which was really nice because that's the most a rugby ball has ever sold for, so we were really happy about that. But I think that's because we had free shipping on it. Usually before we would get offers of like $15 plus our $5 shipping, so it's comparable. That actually only ended up costing us $4 to ship out, which was nice. We had to put it in a huge box because it was blown up or filled up with air or whatever, so it was hard to ship out. But that, like I said, only cost us $4 to ship out, so super nice. We made a good profit on that. All right, and then fourth on our list is an H&M t-shirt that Martin picked up from Goodwill forever ago. It was the first This is so hard! I keep stuttering. Who knew I had a stutter? It was the first H&M t-shirt Martin ever picked up after I told him, please don't ever pick up H&M, but finally it sold for $12, which was not bad, free shipping, but that only cost us $2.76 to ship out because it was so light and the buyer actually lived in New York, which was really nice. Fifth on our list was this Clifford Kohl's Cares stuffed animal. Martin picked this up from Savers a long time ago, but I'm actually surprised it sold. But he picked it up for $1 and it sold for $8.49, so nothing too big of profit there. I don't really think Clifford is too big anymore, but hey, still sold. It did cost us $2.76 to ship out, so it did cut into our profits a little bit, but that's alright, we still made a little bit on it. Alright, and then sixth thing that sold is actually pretty unique. I had all of these 4 leggings listed separately, and the buyer actually reached out to me and was like, hey, would you mind bundling them for $35? And I was like, honestly, could we do 40? We just need a little bit. Oh my goodness! So the buyer offered $35 for those 4 pairs of leggings, and I was like, could we do maybe 40? And then she was like, can we meet in the middle at $37.50? You can ship them all in one envelope. And I was like, honestly, you're right. I could fit them all into one padded flat rate envelope and still make around $30. 25 to 30 wasn't bad. So we got all of those 4 and they sold for $37.50. I went in and updated the listing just to ensure the buyer that she was getting the correct pairs of leggings and everything. So that was smooth and easy, but it only actually cost us $7.43 to ship out. So before fees and everything, we're at about $30.03 of profit, so can't complain. I screwed up! So before fees and everything, with it costing us $7.43 to ship out, we're making about $30.07, so I'm excited to see what we get after the fees. Hopefully still a good amount. And then 7th on our list is this vintage Nautica just button-up t-shirt. I really don't know if it's actually vintage, but this is an old listing that we had. It finally sold. We probably paid $1 for it. It sold for $11.59. and then ended up costing us $3 to ship out, so not terrible there. It was nice to get that out of our inventory. It was just taking up space in this huge bin behind us with Bert on top of it now. And then the 8th thing that has sold was this Maddox like Asher skaters sweater. I don't really know, but Martin picked it up at a Goodwill a pretty decent time ago, probably early in the spring, but we wanted to sit on it. Obviously we were waiting to see how much it could sell for because there was only one other listing on eBay, and I'm not even kidding you, the pictures were of like taken, like I swear, like that, like they were all so blurry. Or it was one sold for $50. Or you're gonna have to do a lot of cutting out of this. So actually, I mean one sold listing. There was one sold listing for about $25, and I was confident that with my better pictures we could get a little bit more than the 25. So I had it listed at 50, and we had a sale going right now, so it was down to $35.69, but the buyer paid full price for that, and it was a huge, big, bulky jacket, and I was so worried about having to ship it out, but I somehow managed to fit it in a padded flat rate envelope. I took out the bubble wrap to save some space, and oh my gosh, I was sweating trying to put that thing together today, but it made it in there. So it only cost us $7.43 again to ship out, so those padded flat rate envelopes are a lifesaver when it comes to heavy items, because that probably weighed 7 or 8 pounds. It was insane. And then the 9th and final thing that we had sell on eBay was actually a book. It was an old book of mine that I was supposed to annotate and write through in my senior year of high school, and I never did, but it's a really popular school book, I know. It's called Lord of the Flies. I hated the book, so the $6.50 offer that we got, I was so happy. I was like, yes, please, get it out. I think I had it listed at $7.99, which was almost triple the price of all of the other books out there, but I was like, whatever, somebody will pay for it. But yeah, so those were our 9 sales. So those are our 9 sales on eBay, and then we had one wholesale on Poshmark, and it was a men's Carhartt heavy duty zip up sweater. So another heavy sweater. I was like, oh my gosh, I don't want to fit this into another bag. It was so big, but I got it into a just regular mailing envelope, which with Poshmark is pretty nice because they have just priority picked for every option, so I don't really have to worry about what I'm putting it in. But yeah, that was our sale on Poshmark. It sold for $19 and we made $15.20 on it, so not too bad. It was an old hoodie of one of Martin's friends who completely forgot about it. So those are our 10 sales that we had over the past 3 days, I believe. Pretty exciting. It was the most sales we've had in a while, and when I say 3 days, I mean like the very end, like 11:59 on midnight until today, or 11:59 Tuesday till today. So today is Thursday, and yeah, it's a pretty decent amount of sales for us. So hopefully summer slowdown is off.
Finn, how terrible was that? So terrible. So terrible. That was so bad.